Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number 619-CRM. This is a 160-degree door viewer in a bright chrome finish. It is, by all respects, a normal, standard, typical door viewer, except that you'll notice how small it is when it's completely threaded in. This will accommodate thicknesses of 11/16 to 1 1/16 only. Now, it's not likely you're going to have a door that thick, but it is likely that you'll have 1 3/4 that thick with a panel that's significantly thinner, and that's where you're going to primarily use this. This is 11/16 out to 1 1/16 inch. Half inch is the whole size required for this. 160-degree view of angle of view. UL listed. Okay. CRM chrome finish. You can see that it's got a shiny chrome, but would certainly also complement your other chrome finishes, a polished nickel or even satin finishes, I suppose. Considering the fact that the finishes available for this are there are 4: antique, bronze, ANT. If you change the CRM to these letters, ANT is antique bronze, BRS is like a polished brass, STNN is satin nickel, so you'd use that more on your brushed finishes, and then of course CRM. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure where you'll be able to review this item and the immediate sister products to it. Importantly, you'll see where the viewer part number changes as the door thickness changes, and the 619 is really going to be used in those instances when you have a panel sort of construction that might be 3/4 thick or something in that range. The other item that you might want with this would be the 620 VC. That is the cover only, the flip cover that will allow you to blank off the inside so that you can't see light or shadow from the inside. There is also a link, in that link to the product brochure shows you the standard 60-inch above the finished floor installation height. That's typical, common. The 43-inch ADA accessible height, if you're doing a, let's say you're doing a hotel and you have X% of the suites that are handicap compliant, you'll want to adhere to that. You might also just have 2 of them drilled in the door because you've got people living in the home that one is too high, is the bottom line. Okay. On that product brochure, you'll see the 614 and 614V knockers as well. There is a link below this video as well to a document called Tech Sheet that will give you all the important dimensional properties. Half inch is the hole that you're going to drill in the door for this, but that tech sheet will show you everything else for not only the 619 but the other models of viewers. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page within our site where you can pull up not only all the Rockwood products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website along with a link to their full line product catalog for their core line of hardware, which is trim and auxiliary hardware, what the name Rockwood is quite synonymous with: your door stops, your kick plates, push and pulls. There's also a link to the architectural door pull, which is Rockwood's RM series of architectural metal, leather wrapped wood material custom pulls. If you have any questions on the Rockwood 619 and a CRM finish or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.